Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then my name is Alisha and I do makeup challenges and random videos in my channel. I mainly focus in makeup and challenges video, our vlogging I do sometimes. And today I'm going to do a makeup look using this Makeup Revolution and SOPHX collaboration palette. And yeah, this is how the palette looks like. It has a mirror, which is always a plus point when it comes to a palette. And yeah, if you guys want to know what look I created, then please keep on watching. So guys, this is the look I created using this palette, and I just did a simple kind of look. I have not even worn a lashes because many of you guys are not that comfortable in wearing lashes. So I चाहिँ अब अलि सिम्पल खालको लुक गर्दिउँ न भनेर आज चाहिँ सिम्पल खालको विदाउट एनी ल्यासेस वाला लुक गरेको छु. And I have just played with this natural kind of shades, golden type को. मलाई चाहिँ यो blue color, this यो कलरहरु चाहिँ एकदम प्ले गर्न मन लागिरहेछ. So I will definitely make another video. नेपालमा चाहिँ यो प्यालेट आको धेरै भएको छैन है. Pretty Click मा छ यो प्यालेट. If you guys are interested, I must say है, shimmer shades are just एकदमै राम्रो के. मैले वेटै नगरिकन यो शेड लगाएको थिएँ and I was very impressed है. अनि I like the palette so far. Mattes पनि easily blend नै गरिरहेको थियो. So yeah, I will definitely do more videos in the future. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys did that, enjoyed, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.